Google just dropped its biggest Chrome upgrade ever. Gemini is now inside your browser. It summarizes pages, compares tabs, and will soon handle tasks for you. Let me show you what it can actually do. Gemini is now built into Chrome on desktop in the US. If your browser language is English, you'll see a Gemini icon. It opens a floating assistant right on top of the page you're reading, so you can ask questions or get summaries without switching tabs. When an article is dense, ask Gemini for the gist. You can follow up with "explain like I'm new to this" or "pull key takeaways." This turns a 15-minute read into a 60-second brief, perfect for research sprints. Planning a trip or comparing products, Gemini can use the context of multiple tabs. Compare the options across my open tabs. Make a quick table with price, pros, cons. Chrome's address bar now has AI mode. Type complex questions, get instant answers. Try asking for a mattress comparison. Gemini jumps in with a detailed table. Need quick facts? Just ask. Gemini delivers recommendations right in your browser. Wondering how long memory foam lasts? Gemini finds the answer in seconds. Gemini Nano flags scammy sites and blocks spammy pop-ups before they get you. Chrome's security overlay instantly blocks dangerous pages. Reset passwords with one click, safe and simple. To try it, update Chrome, set English, tap the Gemini icon and hit Summarize this page. Mobile support is rolling out. Android first, iOS next. Gemini in Chrome is a legit time saver and a safety boost. What feature are you trying first? Summaries, cross-tab compare, or AI mode? Alright, that's Gemini in Chrome. If this helped, tap like, subscribe for more fast tech breakdowns, and drop a comment with the first thing you'll try. Summaries, cross-tab compare, or AI mode. Thank you for watching.